Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the UBL Digital App. First, you'll need to download the app from your device's App Store, whether it's for Android or iOS. Make sure you have your UBL account details, such as your account number and registered mobile number, readily available. Once downloaded, open the app and look for the Sign Up or Register option to begin your journey. This initial step is crucial for setting up your digital banking experience. Next, it's time to verify your account. You will be prompted to enter your UBL account number and your registered mobile number. Additionally, you'll need to provide your computerized national identity card, or CNIC, number for security purposes. After entering these details, a one-time password, or OTP, will be sent to your registered mobile number. Carefully enter this 6-digit code into the app to proceed with the registration process. Now, let's create your secure login credentials. First, choose a strong and unique username that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Then, set a robust password. This password should combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to ensure maximum security. Finally, confirm your new password by re-entering it accurately. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense. To complete your registration, carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure everything is correct. This is a vital step to avoid any future issues. Next, you will need to accept the terms and conditions of the UBL Digital App, which outlines your agreement to its usage policies. Once these steps are done, you can confidently log into your newly registered account using your chosen username and password. Welcome to convenient digital banking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.